My name is Brian with Airbags Unlimited LLC. Here is a FJ Cruiser we did the BVR 400 digital video camera system on. This one happens to be at Sterling McCall Toyota. Bert works here at Sterling McCall Toyota. We're going to come through. The rear view camera is down here. It looks like one of the parking sensors. Flush mounted. Here's one of the mirror cameras on the right side, flush mounted in the bottom. We'll go look at the left side. Let's go look at the left side real quick. There's the left mirror camera. Gonna jump in. And there goes a car right behind us. Bert's got one of the 10.1-inch LCD screens like in the Airbags Unlimited van. Let's go to the split screen. Also, when you go left, back to normal, then to right. So it's tied into the blinker system, back to normal. You can go 4 screens. 2, 3, playback if we need to. Let's hit play. See the golf cart going by. Very, very cool. So this is just one of our other camera systems that we installed on this FJ Cruiser. Let's go back to normal. And there we are. We'll go ahead and go back to the rear. Bert loves this. Helps him with all the blind spots here in the FJ Cruiser. And let's go on to our next video. We will see y'all later.